Hello, welcome to my video, and I'm Wayne. So today I have a lovely Marvel haul. So, a couple of pops in here. One of them is like a bit of a crowd. Been after this one for a good couple of years or more, but it's been really expensive. But we'll see what we got. Let me put them down. So the first one is from Funko Europe, and it is Loki with a Tesseract. Show you the bad boy there. And that, a bit bowed at the back the way it's come. That's Funko Europe for you, but I'm going to put that in a pop protector. Let's get him out and see what he looks like. Yeah, I'll put him in my PP.JOE pop protector. And he should come out that bit. And this goes last, a Funko limited edition. As soon as I saw this pop, I was like, I've got to get it. And it looks awesome. There we go. With like the mouth, muzzle and all that. Like he's got the Tesseract which glows. And that, and the chain in his arms. But yeah, that's some great detail in that pop. I do like that. Even like the little dirt marks he's got from battle and that, where Hulk smash, I think. So that is a cool pop. Put him back in. Next one is this one. Now, this is what I have been after for a couple of years. It's like a growl. As soon as I saw it come back up on Pop in the Box, I had to grab it. Because since I've been started collecting and saw this pop, and I was like, whoa. But another one I'd like to try and get would be the Hulk Buster fighting Hulk in movie moment. But this one is nicely protected, which is quite surprising for Pop in the Box, in bubble wrap. And it is Hulk smashing Loki. Bit of slight damage there. I've seen worse from Pop and Lock. That looks like a knife cut. But yeah, that's a very cool pop, that. Considering the TV value was like £90 odd, about £8 now, and it only cost 30 quid from Pop in the Box. So I am happy with that. I just need to get a protector for that. Should I get them out and have a look? Yeah, why not? Now, this is one of the best moments in the film. I love it. He's like, boom, 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 boom. And you got the backdrop of Tony's office on that. So, oh, Hulk's really big in this. With a little bobblehead. And that's really cool. And like Loki's cloak, the movement and that's quite flexible. And where Loki's on the floor getting mashed to hell. What's it saying? I've got an army, we've got Hulk. Yeah. Best part, one of the best parts of the movie, that bit. I love that pop. Oh, so happy to get that. Let's put him back in. Now, do I keep him out of box or do I keep it in box? That's the problem with this one. That's nice, that. And the next one come this morning. And again, all bubble wraps. What's going on, popping box? It's shocking me. And this one is Morgan Stark. Oh, he dropped it. And Tony Stark. Everyone's been after this. Everyone. And it's selling that area. That's such a cool pop. So you got Tony inside the box. You got like the helmet with like the holographic insert. Let's get them out. Let's have a look. I'll show you the back of it. There you go. This is a great scene in the movie. It's sad really because it's the end of the film, isn't it? Where Tony Stark's killed, you know, and she's looking at the hologram. I think it is, or isn't it? Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah. Where's your daddy dying? But hey ho. Oh well, so the holograph is actually on the plastic, as you can see. So you got Mr. Stark sitting on a chair. I actually thought it'd be the same chair as Captain America is sitting on from the Collectables walk, but it's actually a different pose than that, which is really cool. So that will glow, it's in the dark. Then you got a little Iron Man helmet, so it glows, holograph goes ooh like that. Then you've got Morgan Stark with Rescue's helmet on, which is quite cool. And I just noticed that with a little repulsor there. Not too bad. That's really cool. It comes with a stand, but I hate stands. So that's a really cool pop. I'm actually quite happy with that. Do Iron Man again. Put your head back in. But you don't want to lose that, do you? And there goes Tony. That's a really cool pop. Huh? I can see why everyone was after it. And then you got the backdrop. There you go. So I know someone will be happy with that. That'll make Mr. Logan happy. It'll be in everyone's collection. So very sweet. So let us know in the comments which one you thought was the best out of those three. I know which one I liked. Actually, I liked all three. So let me know what you think, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.